is quiet. Because what Trump represents globally is anti-Northern Nigeria, anti-Nigerian government, anti-political leadership of the country. That's why you can see uneasy calm everywhere, because they have seen that Mr. Justice is back. The 45th and 47th President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, he is back. He is back in what? With full force. At least to showcase unequal security to the whole world. This time around, we've seen an Afghanistan whose administration was unseated and what? Infiltrated by Taliban-led administration. It is because of what? Weak points, loopholes on the Democratic Party of Joe Biden and Obama. If it could be that Trump was in power then, I don't see Afghanistan losing, their administration to the terrorist regime. And you can see it today. I think Afghanistan, they will begin to count their blessings because Mr. Justice is back. Then again, the way I'm seeing it is that this man is going to be the third, the strongest, number 3, the strongest president of the United States of America. Number 1 is Abraham Lincoln. He was buried at the Empire State Building. Same place was buried with number 2, second strongest president America has ever had, Ronald Reagan. He was buried there in 2004. Empire State Building. Everybody, the whole world went there and paid homage to 2 of them. Today, we are seeing number 3 person coming to power, limelight. His name is Donald Trump. He is back and is going to blow the trumpet of truth, honesty, modesty around the world. And Jerusalem is going to be fully restored to its ancient strength. Jerusalem we are having now, if you ask me, I will tell you, because Trump lost in 2019, Jerusalem is just being literary Jerusalem. This time around, ancient Jerusalem, the city of God, that the son of David, the child of David, that's Solomon, constructed the largest temple ever built for God in life, with gold, checkers, diamond, name them, all manners of precious stone was used on that temple. The Assyrian, they couldn't respect God of Israel. They were, belittling God. They drove the people of Israel and occupied Jerusalem, where the temple of God was built fearlessly. You can see the Mendes, you can see the Babylonians, that's the Iraqi, driving the people of the Lord, the Israelites, out of Jerusalem, actually carted away with all the precious stone, with all the plated, gilded plates, all the gold in the house of the Lord, and many years gone, there was no Jerusalem until during the year of the Lord, 1076 AD, they fought with these Seljuk Turks and drove them again, and Jerusalem came back. And after that again, they scattered all over the world. And on coming back in 1948, they met Israel, the land of Israel, Ashkelon, Jerusalem, Hebron, Zion, occupied, just like Lagos, like a modern city. What happened then? They fought 6 days war. Oga Trump, father, is among them. His ancestors were among the people that fought fervently for returning of Israel in 1948. 6-day war, the shortest war, victorious war ever fought in the world history. And today, the man that has brought Jerusalem back and gave Jerusalem back to Israel has won an election in America. Aka Chineke there. And actually we understood the kind of promise he gave to the Igbos when he left seats of authority in America in 2019, 2020, when Joe Biden, led onslaught, abated by Obama, Barack, unseated Trump. And today, Trump is back. He has regained his seat. And I can see you I can tell you that Trump is going to White House again in the name of God the Father, in the name of God the Son, and in the name of God the Holy Spirit. Trump is marching towards the White House. That's a very unique victory for the people of the Lord. And I can tell you now that the evil axis of Iraq, Yemen, Syria, Hezbollah, Lebanon infiltrated Hezbollah. Iraq, they are beginning to count their blessings because Mr. Trumpet, the truth is back. He's going to blow off the evil axis, all the consequences of that geographical location of the evil axis. Trump is going to blow all of them off, and they will all disembark from force of gravity, and they will float away into the space because Trump is back. Are you listening to me? Jerusalem is back. In full force, Israel is going to retaliate uninterrupted. The incessant barrages of rockets directed to that country by Hamas, by Hezbollah, and so on and so forth. I'm telling you that Trump is back. It's a welcome idea to all of us, especially the people of southeastern Nigeria. We know what Trump promised us when he was on seat by the Democrats in 2019-2020. I think by this time around, Nnamdi Kanu will be jubilating where he is now because Trump is back. And again, Samurai in the Finland, faraway Finland, there will be doing what? Jogging up and having good stroll, road walk, you know, preparing. Because it is not going to be business as usual. Before you could go to White House this time around, you should prepare. You must have the charismatic, what it takes to talk, to speak, and tell the truth. Samurai should work very, very hard because Mr. Trump Donald is back. And it means what? Quicker action, marches towards the Biafra emancipation. Trump is with us. And I still predict it that GOP, we are going to enter GOP, we are going to infiltrate GOP. GOP is going to work for us and work Biafra into freedom soonest.
Okay, we've seen Bola Ahmed Tinubu sending congratulations message. We know that during Buhari, they worked together to bring down Trump's government, where it was alleged that Buhari donated over $500 million to seat Trump. They think that Trump has forgotten, but they are saying at this point, his appointment of Bianca as the Minister of Foreign Affairs, did the president actually calculate well, knowing that Donald Trump is going to win, and Donald Trump need to look at issues the way it is, maybe trying to save his life at the end of the day.
If you ask me, I will tell you that appointment of Bianca Ono as Minister of Foreign Affairs is a slap on the Biafran hero that was diseased 2012 through 2013. I mean, Chukwemeka. We have no reason at all to align with anything Hausa Fulani hegemony. I mean, Ojukwu, and anything APC, anything Nigeria currently, and anything administration of Tinubu is an enemy of Biafra and the Igbo man. So I'm not elated, I'm not jubilating, I'm not happy over any whatsoever appointment that is given to Bianca Ono. I turn my back on that because I don't work with this administration. I'm not happy with this administration. Comfort me, the person they put there, if DSS like, they should look at me. I don't hide my face. Is there illegitimately? He has not won an election. I don't want to know. And let me tell you, the appointment given to Biafra, the Biafra mother, that is Bianca Ojukwu, is a mockery a slap on the face of the Igbos. Again, is an party activities against Apuga, because Bianca is the mother of Apuga. Is our mama there, Ojukwu's party. And we Igbos, we don't giraffe, we don't go, we don't have long throat, we work hard, we work our money, we work food we eat, we work whatever you see in that southeastern Nigeria as facilities, we work it out. Federal government does not do anything for the southeasterners. That's what I'm saying. So where my point is that appointment given to Ojukwu's wife is for Ojukwu wife and Tinubu administration. I don't think it has anything to do with Igbo man. I don't think it has anything to do with God-given victory. God's given kind of victory to Trump is for Biafra nationality. It has nothing to do with Bianca Ono. It has nothing to do with Tinubu. What I'm saying now is that this injustice of a marginalization, suppression and oppression of Igbo man in this part of Africa continent should come to what? Abrupt stop. Enough is enough. Trump is here. Mr. Trump is truth. Trump is against insecurity. Trump is against injustice. Trump is against oppression, suppression, exploitation, hostilities, and unnecessary aggressiveness. Trump is against that. And we're going to see this kind of foreign policy from Trump play out in Nigeria. And we are going to feel a very conducive atmosphere in Nigeria here now. It has started today. See, let me tell you again. For we that are aggrieved over Trump's victory, I mean we the blacks, because of the way he spanks on the black. If a black man behaves well, Trump will not spank on him. If your papers and documents are in order, Trump will not spank on you. If you are not trading on drugs, Trump will not spank on you. If you are doing the normal thing in America, Trump will embrace you, allow you, and what? Permit you to stay in the States. See, if you are a terrorist and you are targeting United States, sorry is your name. Because Trump, he has called. He's an anti-terror. He's an anti-satanic. He's anti-abortion. He's an anti-human trafficking. He's an anti-gay marriage. Trump hates anything that brings vices and anomalies into our system, both in Africa and American system. So what I'm trying to say is that we should stop turning our back on calling spade a spade. Trump is a very blunt man. He is so meticulous. He doesn't hide the truth. Are you listening to me? Trump is Mr. Truth. I support his election.
Thank you.